Welcome to the latest video in the ScraM video series. Today we'll be talking about ScraM server basics, how to connect, how to set up your account, moving around the server, and making friends. So let's dive right in. To connect to ScraM, first you need to go to multiplayer in Minecraft. You'll need to add a server. You'll need to type in the server name, ScraM, and the server address. Make sure you get this one right, us.frequal.com, frequal.com. Click on Done, and then you'll probably want to use this a lot, so move it up in your list to the top, and then either click on the play button or select it and click Join Server. At this point you'll be taken to your own private world on the ScraM server. This is a world that you control, and this is where your modlets will run. Now when you first join, it can take up to 30 seconds to make your own private world. After that it'll be much faster. Once you're in, the ScraM commands are available in chat. So you bring up the chat with T, and then you do .help. And you can see a list of all the commands that are available. This is the full list. We're going to talk about some of the most important ones. The most important one when you start up is the setup command, which is very easy. You just do .setup in chat. And now for me, I already have a ScraM account, so it says ScraM, your account already exists. However, make sure when you run this for the first time you have paper and pencil ready to write down your password. It will tell you what your ScraM password is, and it's very important to write this down because you will need it when you want to save mods later in the designer, which we'll see in an upcoming video, or if you want to comment on your friends' mods on the ScraM website. So you're automatically taken to your own world when you log into ScraM, the ScraM server, but there are multiple worlds in the server. To move around, the first world that you'll have access to other than your own is the lobby. So you can go to chat, do .lobby, and then you'll be taken there. Now, normally you won't go to the lobby, you'll go straight to your world. If for some reason you don't have a world, you will be taken to the lobby by default. And the lobby is just a fun place to go anyway. It has a few signs giving you some hints. And it is an amazing Skyworld themed map built by MathFactor360, and it looks fantastic. So when you're done having fun in the lobby, you'll probably want to go back to your world, or perhaps one of your friends' worlds. At that point you'll need to go back to chat and type .warp and the name of the other player. In this case, I'll go to MathFactor360's world. So you may remember my world had a lot of structures cluttering it up from the structure video. Here in MathFactor360's world, first of all, it's raining, but second of all, it's relatively uncluttered. There are not a whole lot of structures have been placed, so we can see what the map looks like normally before it gets overtaken by structures. So we've seen how to navigate around the ScraM server. Next, let's talk about friends. So the first command, and probably the most important one dealing with friends, is friend add. So you do friend add MathFactor360, or whichever friend you want to add on your ScraM server. As in life, it's always good to know who your friends are. ScraM is no exception. In ScraM, friends have special permissions to see your mods, special permissions in your world when they warp in, depending on what mod is installed. And they also can share your structures and see your mods on the ScraM website. So finally, friend list is the command in chat to list your friends. So in this case, I have one friend, MathFactor360, since a certain time. And finally, if a friendship goes bad, you can get out of a friendship. You do .friend forget, and you type in the player's name, and they will be removed as a friend. I'm not going to do that to MathFactor 360, but that's how you manage friends completely, adding, listing, and removing. That's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed learning about ScraM basics. Please join the ScraM server, try it out, and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.